I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: a fourth, a fifth, a minor falls, a major lift, but baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overflew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke you through and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. You say I took the name in vain, I don't even know the name, but if I did, well really, what's it to you? There is place of light in every word, it doesn't matter which you heard, the holy or the broken, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I did my best, it wasn't much, I couldn't feel, so I tried to touch. I've told the truth, I didn't come to fool you. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of Song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.